G'day, I'm Ray Heron from Kiwi Rider Podcast. This is my LS2 Pioneer EVO helmet. A pretty good helmet too. When you buy this helmet, it comes with one clear visor, which as you can see is pin lock ready. It doesn't come with a pin lock. If you wanted to, for example, put a tinted visor on, here's one I prepared earlier, it doesn't come with pin lock. You can't use a pin lock on your tinted visor. So, what can you do? Well, the team at Whites have come up with a solution. This is the Whites branded UGAM Ultra High Clarity Anti-Fog Insert. And what this is essentially another layer of plastic with a silicone bead that goes on your visor, making a seal and stopping fog. So when you've got your visor on, you'll get fog up around here, but your viewing window will stay nice and clear. So we're going to install one of these on my tinted visor right now. Okay, so it comes in two parts. This is the sticker that you put on the outside of the visor, and it has a guide on where to put the sticker on the inside. Then you peel that off and throw it away. This is the piece that you want to pay attention to. Now, also on here is a list of all the other types you can get. Super clear is the best one for your tinted visor, but you can also get a yellow tint for night vision, you can get an anti-glare, you can get a high definition pink one. Photochromatic is quite cool. It tints when you go out in the sun, but on a cloudy day it'll stay clear, and of course polarized as well. All of these are available on the Whites website, bitsforbikes.co.nz.
Make sure you clean your visor well. Peel the backing off the anti-fog insert and line up with the guidelines on the sticker we put on the outside. Make sure the silicone has contacted all the way around. Peel off the inner protection. Remove the outer guide sticker and you're good to go. I've tested these in the toughest of Wellington winter conditions and I really think they're worth the money. This clear anti-fog insert is about $29 to $30 off the Bits4Bikes website.